Friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video, if you love Head & Shoulders shampoo and you love Walgreens, this is a deal for you. So this really big daddy, the 32.1 fluid ounce bottle, which is 2 pounds of shampoo. Yes, this big one is $5.99 this week. And I'm not sure if it was supposed to be part of it because usually they don't include these massive bottles, but yes, it is tagged. 32.1, that is the big one. This will last you a good long time, especially if you use a lot of Head & Shoulders. It's the smaller bottles that are $7.29 that are part of this, but also they tagged a lot of other shampoos, including this Big Daddy. This is where you're going to get the biggest value if you use Head & Shoulders on the daily. So in store, it is ringing up for $5.99, and if you want to add it to a cart for a curbside pickup, yes, also $5.99. So we have this dollar digital coupon. We're going to look at this deal two different ways. Say you can only find one of these bottles because people are going to go hard for this one. Grabbing one of these for $5.99, subtracting that dollar digital coupon, and I would also throw in $5 of Walgreens cash. Pay down the tax and laugh all the way to the bank and back. So you'll obviously have to go to the store because you need at least a $10 order to do a curbside pickup. But this is really fantastic if you use Head & Shoulders or somebody in your household does. When you have to pay for this out of pocket, it is a little bit more than $5.99. It's kind of expensive, so this is a really good deal. Okay, guys, so to my shock, Supreme was also part of this, which is their fancy hoity-toity. It smells really good, actually, and it's really nice, especially that conditioner, which I've used. I got it on clearance at Walmart, and I use it like every second day. I love it. I wanted to get a couple of the shampoos because I have the conditioner, but not the shampoo, and this is how they get you. And it's also $5.99, so if you're into Head & Shoulders, you know this is really good. Clinical is not part of it, which is that blue one that's $10.49, but the Supreme and the regular stuff, including that Big Daddy part of it. So for my cart, this is what I got. I got 3 of these products because I have been using Head & Shoulders forever. I just have that hair type that really needs a good, this seems to be the only thing that really works to really, clean my hair, which is weird. I wish I could use the cute Pantene or whatever, but this is what I need. Too much information. 1 Big Daddy and 2 Supremes. I'm just going to take myself on a date with those 2 Supremes because it's a really nice shampoo and it smells amazing too. It doesn't smell like the old bottle of Head & Shoulders that your dad used in the 80s. So here are the digital coupons that include $1 off, and yes, all of these are attaching, so it's just a really good deal, and along with this 3 off of 2, so we have altogether $4 of digitals working for us. So I also had one of these $4 store register rewards. What do you use it for? Use it for this. Unfortunately, Head & Shoulders this week, there is no promotion like buy 3 get $5 of Walgreens cash, but still at $5.99 for that bottle of shampoo. This is the value of it because we never see it this cheap. So grabbing 3 of these at $5.99 a pop, that's $17.97. Subtracting the 3 off of 2 plus the $1 off, that's $4 of digital manufacturers off right there. 1 $4 store register reward. And I also threw in $10 in Walgreens cash. Here in Michigan, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the tax. It doesn't have to be, $10 on the nose. It could be like $9.98 and then it works. Other states, it doesn't work, but I know here in Michigan and also in Texas, like 2 states off the top of my head, it works. So I just paid the tax for this. So this is really, really fantastic. I know that Head & Shoulders Supreme, there is a rebate, but that is at Walmart only. And Checkout 51 also has a rebate, but you can't use it with coupons. So that kind of, yeah. So anyhow, just using a bit of Walgreens cash, a store register reward, or getting creative to pay $5.99 for 32 ounces of this shampoo. Yes, and I love these big bottles to have them in the shower. Really, really great. Good luck with this one, and yeah, I would get on this ASAP. I'll catch you guys in the next one.